Did you know that simply putting your bare feet on the earth can actually reduce inflammation, improve sleep, and calm down your nervous system? It sounds almost too simple, but that's the power of grounding, or what's often called earthing. Today I'll explain what earthing or grounding is, how it works, the best ways to do it, and even some tools and supplements that can make grounding more effective. Grounding is the practice of physically connecting your body to the earth. So that may be walking barefoot in your grass, standing on the wet sand at the beach, or just sitting out in your backyard on the ground. When you do this, you're allowing a transfer of free electrons from the earth into your body. Think of it as nature's built-in antioxidant system. These electrons help neutralize free radicals, which reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, the very things that contribute to pain, chronic illness, and even accelerated aging. So how often should you ground? Ideally, daily, so 20 to 30 minutes per day of direct contact with the earth can make a noticeable difference in how you feel. The best ways include walking barefoot on wet grass, sand, or dirt, gardening with your hands in the soil, or just full body laying on the ground. I'm sure some of you can attest to coming back from a weekend at the beach and just feeling so much better. And a big part of this is the grounding effect. But let's be honest, not everyone has the time or the environment to do this every day. That's where different grounding technologies come in. Grounding mats and sheets are fantastic tools that allow you to stay connected to the earth while still being indoors. These mats plug into the grounding portion of your electrical outlets, transferring the earth's electrons while you sleep, watch TV, or even working at your desk. Some of the best-selling books on this topic include Clint Ober's Earthing, or another book called The Ground Beneath Your Feet. I've personally read both of them, and they go deep into the science, and they share real stories of healing. As for equipment, you can find grounding sheets, grounding mats, and grounding bands online through reputable companies like earthing.com, and you can even find some decent items on Amazon. This is one that I just bought off of Amazon. I'll put the link to it in the description box below, and so far so good. I really am liking it. And just to give you the concept about what this looks like, so I actually pulled it in here. There's the technologies built into the mat, and there's a snap, and so you'll just put the cord, and they usually come with a lengthy one so that you can get to that grounding port of your outlet. So you'll snap it on here, and then you'll have this on the corner of your bed, and then you'll just run it in, and then this is the piece that you'll actually put into that grounding port, which is the bottom of your 3 plugs in your receptacle, and you'll just keep it plugged into that port. And so that's what's getting you deep into the earth and pulling those electrons, but just bringing them through your house and using a mat to do this. Now let's talk a little bit about nutrition. Grounding actually works best when you have the nutrients that your body needs to carry these electrical signals. Some powerful support supplements that we take every day ourselves and also recommend to our patients. One of them is Trace Minerals B12 by a company called Standard Process, and then another one called Organically Bound Minerals, also from Standard Process. These naturally occurring minerals act like conductors, helping your cells communicate and transfer energy efficiently. Another one is CoQ10. So I'm sure a lot of you have heard of coenzyme Q10. There's a product that we use also from Standard Process called B Vitality with CoQ10. CoQ10 is a vital molecule found in nearly every cell of the body and plays a crucial role in cellular energy production, which is essential for the proper functioning of your entire body, including your electrical system. When you combine grounding with the right nutritional support, you can feel a real shift in energy, focus, and overall health. If you're dealing with a health issue and wondering if things like grounding, nutrition, or lifestyle medicine medicine could help, we'd love to support you. At Snow Holistic Health, we see patients not just locally, but also across the country via Zoom. Use the link in the description box below to book a free phone consult with one of our team members. We'll go over your health concerns and we'll talk about what it might look like to work together. Don't underestimate the healing power of simply reconnecting back to the earth. It may be the missing piece in your health journey. I'm Dr. Katie Snow, helping you to transform your health naturally.